In front of me is a Nokia T20, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings right here. From settings, find storage. Oh, there we go, it's right here. And choose your SD card. Now, I'll be selecting files as a way to open it. There we go. And once you're in files, you want to click on these three dots right here and choose storage settings. And as you can see, there is the format option. So from here, select obviously format. This will bring up a message that formatting your SD card will remove everything from it. So if there is anything that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it beforehand. Now, I don't want to back up anything. There isn't really anything on it, so I'm just gonna tap on format SD card. This will instantly begin the process, which should only take a couple seconds, and truth be told, it should be already finished. So there we go. Click on done, and well, you're finished with it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.